We will demonstrate app remote control car in this video. Open power switch on expansion board. If the RGB light is white, it means the car is in Wi-Fi remote control mode. Open Yahboom app. Make your phone to connect the Wi-Fi camera hotspot. Wi-Fi camera hotspot name, Yahboom ESP32. Some phones may show a prompt that the Wi-Fi cannot connect to the network. We need to click to keep connected. Back to app. Need to input IP address. Wi-Fi camera hotspot IP address is 192.168.4.1. Click Login. Enter app interface. We can see video screen. We can click the button to switch the direction of the camera screen. And control car go ahead by U button. Control car back by D button. Control car pan left by L button. Control car pan right by R button. Control car spin right by RT button. Control car spin left by LT button. The right area of app can control the servo. Click CL button. Servo rotates left 1 by 1. Click CR button. Servo rotates right 1 by 1.